Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Stuff About Tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to talk about how to animate text on Wix.com. Guys, if you want to animate your text on Wix.com, then you have to select your text and then you will see some of options over the screen, and here you will see animation. Just simply you have to click on it, and here you can select your animation type. There are so many animation type. You can select your favorite one and then you have to click on customize. You can adjust the distance, duration and delay second. And you can check your animation by clicking this play button. So guys, as you can see, you can also animate your text by follow these simple steps. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much. Good luck.